Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start right away. Confirm power state because Windows sometimes only adjusts on battery versus plugged in. Open Settings, pick System, then Display to access brightness controls. Once there, scroll to identify the Change Brightness Automatically toggle. Do not flip it yet. Make sure you have admin privileges in case we need to update drivers or change services. This prevents interruptions and lets you follow the next steps without permission errors, which is why we prepare now rather than later. Now adjust the setting and refresh drivers. Toggle the adaptive brightness switch off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to force a sensor reread. Next, open Device Manager and update display adapter and sensor drivers. Choose Search Automatically or install a downloaded driver. Once done, open Control Panel Power Options, edit your active plan's advanced settings, and verify adaptive brightness is set correctly for both battery and plugged-in states. These steps fix mismatches between Windows settings and hardware. Finish by restarting the PC so Windows applies driver updates and setting changes cleanly. This often resolves lingering conflicts. Once rebooted, test by changing ambient light or switching power states. If automatic brightness still misbehaves, run Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot and choose Hardware and Devices to detect issues. Make sure to try rolling back the display or sensor driver if a recent update caused the problem, or temporarily disable the light sensor in Device Manager. This is a reliable fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.